Hi, my name's Brent. I'm an aircraft mechanic by trade, but I also have my own YouTube channel called Mongo's Garage, where I work on automotive content. I work on anything from imports to domestic, modern to classics. So what's the one thing all these vehicles have in common? They all have brakes. And we have used a variety of tools over the years to deal with those. But we've got something to replace all that with. It's right here, the Evercraft disc brake caliper set. So you see it comes in a nice clear package, so I know it hasn't been opened, and it's available from NAPA. It's not too heavy, it's got the good to go handle so you can take it with you. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh yeah, look at that. Now this is going to help us out a bunch because it's able to put those screw-in type pistons back into the calipers, and so it takes the place of that. And also, it can do multiple piston calipers where this can only do the single ones. So it's got a nice instruction book here. So let's get to trying this out. You can see here that our pistons are out some because of the wear in the pads, and the new pads are much thicker, so we're going to want to push the piston back into the caliper, and that's what this tool is for. So we're going to take this assembly and we're going to put our backing plate on here, just like that. Then we're going to take our adapter that'll fit the piston. We're going to line up the pins like that. This whole assembly will go in here, and we're going to turn this back so we get some pressure on the piston. And then we'll take a 7/8 wrench, hold that, and we'll just turn this clockwise until our piston's all the way in. And we're going to keep watching to make sure that our boot doesn't get pinched or twisted. And this will just put a nice steady pressure on the piston, pushing it back into the caliper, and it'll allow us to put the new pads in. You can see right there, that piston is in a lot further than that one. It's ready to put the new brake pads on. So, what's our final thoughts on this disc brake and caliper toolkit from Evercraft, available at NAPA? Well, it worked great. The instructions could be a little bit clearer for the beginner, but we were able to figure it out and get the job done. Now, the case is compact, comes with everything nice and neat and organized. You can easily slip this into a toolbox drawer or on a shelf. So if you find yourself doing brakes on a regular basis, I would highly recommend this tool, and it would work wonders for those screw-in style pistons in those calipers. So if you find yourself working with those, this is the tool to get.